Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp status are not showing. If you're using WhatsApp and you are missing the status of your contacts or the anyone in your phone, so let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to enable some settings. So go for WhatsApp and you just have to keep a long press on your WhatsApp app, then select info icon, and here you must have to put your permission to your contacts WhatsApp. So open permissions and here look for contacts. Here's the contacts. You just have to select it and here just select allow to allow access to your WhatsApp contacts. So after doing this, you just have to clear cache of the app. So go back and go for the main settings of the app, and here you just have to select storage and cache, and here you have to select clear cache files, and it will remove all junk data from WhatsApp. So that's how you can easily fix WhatsApp status not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.